Hello children, good morning. I think you are doing work at home. Okay. Then before starting the class, let me discuss what I taught you in the last class. What I taught you in the last class, children? 4 periods or a maximum 5 periods I have taken from that for that warm up exercise. Okay. That yet I have not started any syllabus. Okay. Warm up exercise is nothing but recall exercise. What you have studied in the last year. That all related for the last year syllabus. Okay. Today itself we are going to start with the exact 4th standard syllabus. Okay. Now we will start with the syllabus, children. That is first is what it is. First it is number system. Okay. That when you hear the word number, that is nothing but mathematics. Okay, that mathematics is completely fill up with the number itself. Okay, then whatever it may be a single one digit number, two digit number, three digit number, four digit number. Okay, then you should try to read the numbers. Okay children, how we will read this one? This is 1. Okay, the spelling of 1 is O-N-E. Okay, then this one we call it is a single digit. Why? Because it has only one number, so we call this number is a single digit number. Then if you take this, how many digits are there, children? 1 and 2. Okay, then we call it as a two digit number. Two digit number. Okay, then if you take, it is a three digit number. Start the count. 1, 2, 3. Three digit numbers. Okay. Three digit numbers. We will start with the number system, children, now. Okay. Then take out your textbook. While you are watching the videos, please keep and sit with your textbook. Okay. Then open page number 7, children. Before starting the chapter, let me discuss what is there in that chapter. Okay, then number system, read and write the 5 digit numbers. In this number system, this is related to 5 digit numbers. 5 digit number in the sense, children. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number contains 5 digits. Start to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how will you read this one? Hang ಓದ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ 4, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2 ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ? No, na? Then start to count unit or ones place. Okay, ones place, tens place. This is ones place. This is tens place. Okay, then this is 100. This is 1000. This is 10,000. Okay, then ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? After 3 digits you have to keep your point, children. After 3 digits. Okay, while you are reading, start to keep a point after 3 digits from where? Right side. Okay, right side ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು after 3 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, keep it. 54,000. See children, these two are in 1000 place. This is 1000, this is 10,000. Okay, 54,232. 54,000 here, these two are in 10,000 place. Next 100, 200. 3 tens means 30. After 2 ones means 2. 54,232. Okay, then read and write the 6 digit numbers. As I written on the board, it's a 5 digit number. ಐದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. Okay, then when you take 6 digit numbers here, how will you read that one? 5 digits ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1000, 10,000 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, then when you take 6 digits children here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Okay, then after this what you have to do first? Keep here 2 points. 3 digits. After 3 digits keep here 1 comma. Again after 2 digits. Okay, 7,54,321. Okay, up to here I am ready to read like this. This one is 7 lakh. Ones, tens. Okay, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 7 lakh. It's in a lakh place. Okay, 7 lakh 54,321. 321. Okay, I hope you all understood, children, how to read the numbers. Okay, then find the place value of a digit in a 5 digit and 6 digit number. As I told you, you have to take a number, then see here it is in which place, 100 place. Okay, then what is the value of 3, children? There 300. It means if it is in a 100 place, you have to multiply with the 100. If it is in a 10 place, you have to multiply with the 10 itself. Okay, when I start to teach this lesson, you may get it easily. Just I am giving an idea or pre-introduction about this subject. Okay, sorry, this chapter. Next, compare 5 digits and 6 digit number. Arrange the numbers 6 digits in the increasing and decreasing order. Okay, increasing order is nothing but ascending order. Ascending order means small to big number. Okay, then after that decreasing order means descending order. Okay, while you are writing the increasing order or ascending order, first which number you will write there, children? Small number to big number ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ನಾವು? Increasing order or ascending order. Okay, after that make 5 digit and 6 digit numbers. They told you to make a 5 digit and 6 5 digits andre 10,000. Okay, 50,000, 60,000 like that. Okay, then 6 digits ಬಂದ್ರೆ lakh. Okay, next round up 5 digits and 6 digits number. They have given some numbers, you have to round up the 5 digits. If the number contain 5 digits, that is called as a 5 digit number. Okay, I hope you all understood about this chapter, children. Now we will start with the actual chapter, that is number system. Okay, what it is? Number system. See here, children, today after many days, after a month, we are keeping the first step towards your actual syllabus. Okay, then see how fast you should be in a mathematics. Okay, then see here, let's recollect means it is also a recall exercise about that digit numbers. Okay, 5 or 6 digit numbers. Write the number name for each of the following. See here, children, they have given there 2 numbers. What are those? First one 3 4 9 5. Okay, then it's a 4 digit number. Then how will you read this one? After 3 digits you should keep your point. 3,495. Write this one. 495. Okay, 3,495, children. Okay, next second one is 6,732. 6,732. 6,732. Okay, 6,732. Next we go to the write the place value of a 3 in a 2,437, children. See here, it's a recollect or a recall exercise about the 4 digit numbers. Yet we have not started the 5 digit numbers. Okay, then it's the first main. Second main we will go. What that is? Write the place value of 3 in, they have given the number, that is 2,437. 2,437. Okay, it's a number whatever they have given in your textbook. Then what is said here? 3 place value. Okay, then where it is 3? It's a 3. Okay, then it is in which place, children? It's a ones place or unit place. This one is a tens place. Okay, then what is the value of 3 here? 30. Okay, why? Because it is in which place? It is in tens place. So we have to multiply that 3 with the tens place. The answer is 3 into 10 is equals to 30. Okay. Then the place value of 3 in the number 2437 is 30. Right in front of that number. Okay. I think you are getting, children. Shall I rub this? First one. If you are not written, please pause the videos and write it. Make the notes properly. Next. Again I am going to write this one very clearly, children. Wait. Second one. Second one. That what it is? 2437 is there, na? Then the place value of 3 is 30. Right, sir. Next, third one. Write the expanded form of the number 2405. Expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form of what? 2400. I think you have an idea about the expanded form, children. See here, if I have given you 27, write in expanded form. How will write this one? It is in ones place. Write this one 1. Okay. Plus this is in which place, children? Tens place. Okay. Then 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7 is the expanded form. Okay. If it is 27, this is called as a short form. Okay. They have given here in a short form. We have to expand it. Expansion in ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. It is in which place, children? 1000 place. So we have to write here 2000 plus. After that it is in which place? 100 place. Means the value of that 4 is 400. 400 plus 0. ಯಾವ place ಒಳಗಿದ್ರೂ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ 0 ನೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay. Then what I have to write here? 0 itself. Okay. Then after that 5. Then how will you write this one? 2405. Okay. Then if you are not interested to write this one, you can leave here. For the understanding purpose, I am keeping here, children. Just put that 0. It is an expanded form. It we called as a short form. Okay. I think you got. Again, I am going to give you an example. 279 it is. Okay. It is in which place, children? 100 place. So which number I have to write there? 200. Okay. 200 plus it is in which place? Tens place. Then the value of 7 is 70. Next, the value of 9 is there. Okay, 9. 200 plus 70 plus 9. It's a short form. It's a expansion form or a expanded form. Okay. Write this one. Next, we move on to the fourth question. That is, round off 1327 to the nearest 10. See here, children. 1327 ಇದೆ. Nearest 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? 1330. Okay, 10 is 30. 30. Next, 10 ಗೆ ಸಮೀಪ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 10s. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 10 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 10s ಅಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1330. Okay. Then next, fifth question. Write the following numbers in a ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Write this one, children. I am not going to write the questions. Why? Because it will take a time. That question is there in your textbook. You have to see that textbook. Directly I am going to write the answer. First try to read the numbers, children. What are those? First one, 7127. After that 7000. Let me write question, children. 7127. Okay. After that 7270. Okay. Next 7712. After that 7715. After that 7267. Okay. See here, children. In the 1000 place all are 7. 1000 place 100 place ಇದೆ. Okay, then which is the smallest number here? This one, 7127. After that ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, both two are there. Okay, 100 place 2 ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇವೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 17 ಕಡಿಮೆ, 67 ಕಡಿಮೆನಾ? 17 ಕಡಿಮೆ. Okay, then right here this one children, 7217. After that you can choose big ಯಾವುದು? 7267. 7267. After that this one we have written, then this one we have written, then this one we have written. Idrikina big. Here also 7000 to 7000, 700 to 700. Then ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲೂ 10 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 10 1 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? ಇದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. Then 7712, 7750. Okay, it's a ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but the smallest number to biggest number. Right, this one answer. It's a question, it's an answer. I hope you got this one. Why? Because it's a basic thing, but you should have an idea about the numbers, how you have to read. Okay, write it fast. Next, shall I repeat children? Next, we move on to the, they have given there. See here what they have given. One number they have given, 7 4 2 6. Okay, it is which place children? Ones place. Ones place. Okay, ones place or a unit place. This is which place? Tens place. Just I am asking a place. Okay, I am not asking any values. If I ask you any value, you have to multiply with this one. Okay, this is tens place, this is ones place. After this one is 100 place. HUNDRED, 100 place. Okay, it means 100. It is which place children? 1000 place. 1000 means this one. Okay, then if anybody asks you what is the place of 6 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it means ones. Okay, ಯಾರಾದರೂ 6 place ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ones place ಸಿಗದ. Okay, then if anybody asks you what is place in 2 tens place, which place of 4 100. Okay, if anybody asks you what is the place value of, value means you have to multiply with number with that value. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? 6 ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1. ಓಕೆ, 6 into 1 equals to 1. 6 into 1 equals to 6. Okay, then what is the place value of 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ place value ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ? 2 ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಸಿಗಿದೆ? ಅದು 10th place ಸಿಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ multiply with the 10, that is 20. Actually it's not needed to write these all the things. Okay, just you have to keep in a mind and multiply that number in your mind itself, then only you may get an answer very easily and very fast. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ 10th place, 2 into 10 20. It's fast ಬೇಕು. Okay, then this one 4 into 100 400, 7 into 1000 7000. Okay, what is the place value of a 7? Means 7000. Okay, I hope you have cleared with this number and the place value and the places children. Next we move on to the value of each digits is depend upon the position where they were. ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಪಟ್ನೆ ನೀವೇನು ಅನ್ಬೋದು? 7 ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಹೌದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 6 ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, I see you have got this one. Next, another children, some questions are there. These are GK purpose, and when you go for competitive exams and everything, these all the questions comes. Let me discuss about it. Tell me which is the biggest one digit number. Single digit biggest ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 9. What it is? 9. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? See, start to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್. ಹೌದು, ಇದರ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು? 1. ಓಕೆ, then after that tell me the biggest two digit number. Two digit number 99. Okay, three digit numbers 999. Okay, four digit number. If ask you, tell me biggest one digit number, biggest two digit number, biggest three digit number, biggest four digit number, you have to write these numbers. Okay, if anybody asks you, tell me biggest four digit number with the different digits. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ digits ಇವೆ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಅನಲೈಸಿಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, if they ask you, tell me four digit biggest number ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9999. Okay, if anybody ask you, tell me the four digit biggest number with the different digits ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, then which what that is 9876 either. Okay, it is with the different digits. Okay, then that complicated question may not ask you children. Why? Because still you are studying in a 4th standard. Just you have to remember this. Okay, this is a one digit biggest number, two digit biggest number, three digit biggest number, and four digit biggest number. Okay, next we move on to the 5 digit numbers. Now we are coming to our actual syllabus. Okay, the greatest 3 digit number yavadu? Which is the greatest 3 digit number children? 999. Okay, then if I add this one add automatically it will become a what? 1000. Okay, see here, plus 1, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. This 3 digit number antiva? No, absolutely wrong. It's a 4 digit number. Why? Because it contains 4 numbers, 1 2 3 4. Okay, it is called as a 4 digit number. It's a smallest 4 digit number. Okay, then next, when we add a 1 to the greatest 3 digit number, greatest 3 digit number, which one is the greatest 3 digit number children? 999. Okay, when we add 1 we will get the smallest 4 digit number. This 1000 is a smallest 4 digit number. Okay, now the greatest 4 digit number is, as I told you, 9999. Okay, it's a greatest 4 digit number. Okay, when we add 1 to it, it's a greatest 4 digit number. 1 ಅನ್ನು addition ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 5 digit ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, 5 digits smallest number ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 digits smallest number. Tell me greatest 1 digit number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? 9. Okay, 2 digit number 99. Tell me smallest 3 digit number means 100. Okay, please don't get confused children. Just make a list of that smallest 4 digit number and smallest 5 digit number, like that you may remember it very easily. Okay, then see here children, they have given here, they have given their chart. See, 1 digit number, 1 digit smallest 1, biggest what it is? 99, 9, 1 digit. Okay, that is 2 digit 10, biggest is 99, 3 digit 100, smallest 999, biggest 3 digit number. Okay, after that 4 digit 1000, 9999, biggest 4 digit number. Okay, smallest 5 digit number means 10,000. Okay, after that 99,999 is the biggest 5-digit number. Okay, then I hope you all got this topic, children. Let us make some more 5-digit numbers. अच्छा आएगा. It's a basic chapter, children. No need to get a confusion. But you have to keep in the mind how we have to read the numbers and everything. Okay. Then when we add 1 to 9,999, it became a 5-digit number, that is 10,000. It's the smallest 5-digit number. Okay. Remember the place value. To add a new place value, we add a room in the place value house. See here, children. It's a chapter. It's a chart about the place value and face value. As I said you about this all. Okay. H stands for what, children? Sorry. TH stands for what? 1000. Okay. H stands for 100. Next, T stands for tens. O stands for ones or a unit place. Okay. Then this TTH stands for what? 10,000. Okay. Then next we move on to the 5-digit number or representing the numbers on the abacus. Okay. It's a number, children. How will you read this one? After the digit we have to give here 1 comma 42,139. You have to put this number in a abacus. Abacus in the sense it's a pictograph. How many are there? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. Then how many ones are there? 9 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many tens are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many hundreds are there? Only 1 here. How many thousands are there? 1, 2. How many 10,000s are there? 4. Okay. Then you have to keep the number in the abacus. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? abacus ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is nothing but the putting of numbers in the abacus. It's also came in your syllabus, children. That is how we are to read this one. 42,139. Okay. Then up to here I am going to stop this, children. What you have to do? That practice exercise we will do in the next class. Nothing is there, children. As I discussed you just now, that's they have given. I think you may do this at textbook itself. Okay. No need to write this one in a HW or CW. Just do this one in a textbook. Okay. Then practice exercise. Write the following numbers in the place value chart. Okay. They have given their numbers. What that is number? How do you read this one? 10,002. Okay. The place value chart they have given there. Thousand ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? 1000 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, 10,000 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Okay. After that 100, tens, ones. Okay. Then see here. Ones place ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. Ones place ಗೆ 2 ಇದೆ. Okay. Tens place ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 0. Next 100 place ಗೆ 0. Okay. 1000 place ಗೆ 0. 10,000 place ಗೆ 1. Okay. Then how do you read this one, children? This is 10,000. 10,000, 10,000, 2. Okay. 10,002. Okay. There is no number here, children. So how you have to read this one? 10,002. Next we move on to the second one, that is 32,654. It's very easy, children. I think you may do this one. Okay. Then do these all the homeworks A, B, C, D in your textbook. Okay. Then Second, what it is? Write the numbers that are shown on the abacus. See here. They have kept here beads. How many beads are there in one place? Write here 1. How many beads are there in 10th place? 2. How many beads are there in 3rd place? Okay. Can you write this one? Complete first main and this is also very easy, children. You may do this one. See here, first main, that is write the following numbers in a place value chart. Okay, they have given their numbers. We have to put those numbers in a place value chart. It's a very easy. Okay, then if you get any doubts, you may call me. Second main, that is write the numbers that are in the on the abacus. Okay, they have given their numbers. Just you have to put the numbers in the abacus. Okay, how many what it is? How many beads are there in this place, like that. Okay, then third one, that is for each of the following write the place value of 4. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ 4 ದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 100 place you have to write 400. If it is in 10th place you have to write 40, like that. Okay, then fourth one, that is write the numbers using commas. Also write the number names. Okay, see here ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? numbers. They have given there 3 numbers. 3 here, children. See here 1 2 3. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಮ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡೀನಿ? ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ after 3, after that 2 2, like this. Okay, if they have given here numbers here, ಇದರ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಮ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ? 1 2 3, after that 2, after that 2. If nothing is there here, you have to leave it. Okay, how you have to write this one? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, 2 lakh 49,343. Okay, then they have given their number, children, and they told you to put a commas. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಮ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ 3 digits ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 ಕಾಮ, after that 2 digits ಆಮೇಲೆ, after that if more than 2 digits, again you have to keep their comma after 2 digits. Okay, this if nothing number is there, just you have to leave it. ಒಂದೇ ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ 2 ಬಿಟ್ ಕಾಮ ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಭಾಳ ಶಾಣೆ 0 ಇಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. Okay, I hope you all understood, children. Up to 4th main you have to complete the exercise in a textbook. Okay, not in HW. That is the today's homework. Complete practice exercise. Complete practice exercise in textbook. Page number, all the names are 13 and 14. 13 and 14. All the names means first, second, third, fourth names. Okay, see here, children, up to here. This completes the 5th digit number. Next, in the next class, we move on to the 6th digit number. Okay, I hope you all understood the class, children. If you have any queries and doubts, you may call to me. Okay, then be safe at home, and it's better to do regular work. Don't leave the mathematics. Please be regular with the mathematics. Okay, thank you, children. We will meet you in the next class.